the state of Meghalaya.
Meghalaya marked its 53rd Statehood Day at the District Library in Minthong, Jawai, attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma along with Deputy Chief Ministers Sngaya Bhalangdhar and Preston Tinsong and IPR Minister Ampreen Lingdo and other dignitaries. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma highlighted the state's transformational journey and expressed gratitude towards previous governments, church leaders and the public for their contributions. He announced the foundation stone for the new State Secretariat aimed at expanding the state's administrative capacity. Sangma emphasized the government's focus on development and transformation over the next 7 years, with plans to host the Meghalaya Games across all districts. On the occasion, Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar extended his greetings to the people of the state. Additionally, the President, Vice President and Prime Minister of India also conveyed their heartfelt wishes to the people of Meghalaya.
On this day, I also would like to remember and acknowledge the efforts that have been made by the past governments, by the previous chief ministers, the previous cabinet ministers, chief secretaries, officials, some of you who may be present out here today, retired, but have contributed towards making Meghalaya what it is today.
As we celebrate 53rd Meghalaya Statehood Day, I extend my heartiest greetings to each one of you. Today, we pay tribute to the leaders of Hill State People's Movement and honor the sacrifices of those who fought tirelessly to carve out our beautiful state on 21st January 1972.